Morning, people. I learned a very valuable lesson, and I'm talking like this because I don't want to spook away this beautiful bird over here. The lesson is, do not camp in a camping site with that bastard. Man, the noise that they make is really equal with the beauty that they carry. So, oh Lord, all night long. Bastard of a thing. It's nice, but fella, you'll be so close to end up in a frying pan. Come on, man. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm in a holiday. What's wrong with you? Bastard. It's coming towards me now, look. Do not camp if you see something like this in your camping site. Boy, never mind. New day, new adventure. We're gonna push on towards Greece. I don't know again where we're gonna end up, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna find a nice camping site. So look, it's already there, like usually. Our old man can't sleep in the morning. I wish I could, but we have peacocks and little chickens and all bloody animals in the world. It's like a zoo farm here.
What's up, guys? Jesus, what a tough day we had today. It was raining and raining and more rain and more rain, and we wake up in the morning in Bulgaria and we had a plan to push towards Greece. And we are in Greece at the moment. We just crossed the border and we couldn't put the tent because the rain was so. It was a shit day, put it like that. So never mind. We end up in a nice, cozy hotel. I will say. I think it's more like a bed and breakfast. And think we're gonna have a dinner and we're gonna go straight to bed. We don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. It depends on the weather because in the room everything is scattered around. We hope it's gonna dry until tomorrow because I just realized my right hand side box is leaking heavily water inside, so everything that I had inside is wet. So never mind. I'm gonna go with the boys. I'm gonna see what's downstairs in the menu. I don't think that there's too much on the menu, but I'm gonna take whatever is on the table. So until tomorrow, peace, ride safe and enjoy your life. Yeah.